Cosmic Hours as Divine Updates, a metaphysical script for narration. Narration title: The Architecture of the Heavens and the End of Superstition. In the vast architecture of existence, time itself is not merely a linear progression. It is a divine rhythm, a cosmic calendar that updates the structure of reality. This video explores the metaphysical significance of the cosmic hours, divided into three sacred phases: the morning of the fetus, the noon of the prophets, and the era of Imamate. Each phase marks a transformation in the hierarchy of beings, the accessibility of the heavens, and the divine protection against corruption. Morning of the fetus. In the earliest phase, the earth was inhabited by primitive humans, animals, plants, and solids. The jinn, too, roamed freely. The seven heavens were open to both angels and the unborn souls, those in the fetal state of spiritual potential. But this openness led to chaos. The jinn, in their freedom, initiated bloodshed and rebellion. In response, divine wrath descended. Some jinn were imprisoned in the first heaven, on mountains or islands suspended in the sky. From this moment, their access to the human realm was severed. This was the first divine update, a restriction of cosmic pathways to prevent further corruption. Noon of the prophets. With the rise of Adam's descendants, the second phase began. The heavens remained open to angels and unborn souls, but now a protective structure emerged. Stars were positioned as barriers, guardians against the infiltration of jinn. Yet the jinn, ever cunning, sought new routes. They ascended to the heavens of angels, attempting to eavesdrop on divine decrees and contaminate them with whispers of temptation. Their goal: to inspire humans to open gateways to the second heaven, where jinn could once again influence fate. This was the second divine update, the beginning of celestial encryption, where divine will was shielded from demonic interference. The Night of Power and the Era of Imamate. Then came the Night of Power, Laylat al-Qadr. The Quran descended. The celestial Kaaba, Bayt al-Ma'mur, was established, encompassing the first four heavens. This was a fortress of divine light. The fourth heaven was armed with piercing meteors, Shihab Thaqib, to strike down any jinn who dared approach. From this moment, the jinn could no longer access the decrees of the heavens. Their whispers were silenced. Sorcerers who attempted to reopen the gates found only madness. Their minds, injected with chaotic thoughts, collapsed. In the modern age, many suffer strokes, silent signs of divine justice. This was the third and final update, the sealing of the heavens and the sanctification of divine order. Theological implications. For Muslims, this transformation is not merely historical, it is existential. Their faith is rooted in a divine system that has been cosmically restructured. The miracle of Islam lies not only in scripture but in the architecture of the heavens and the peace it brings to the heart. Under the throne of God, every believer is protected. Those who submit to divine unity fear no force but God. Those who do not believe are simply unaware of the gift they've received. Yet all are accountable. Only God holds the ledger of deeds. For Christians, Jesus Christ lives in the seventh heaven, surrounded by angels. He will return. Their belief in his living presence protects them from the corruption of sorcery and false magic. By calling upon him in their hearts, they are shielded from the chaos of jinn. Both Islam and Christianity, as Abrahamic faiths, mark the end of superstition. They are divine responses to cosmic disorder. Even Qutb al-Din Shirazi, after reforming the Ptolemaic spheres, recognized this. He saw the theology of the Abrahamic religions as the philosophical end of myth and the beginning of truth. Conclusion. The image of the seven heavens across 3 cosmic hours is not just symbolic. It is a diagram of divine intervention. It shows how the architecture of existence has been updated to protect humanity, sanctify revelation, and end the reign of superstition. The stars are no longer just lights in the sky. They are guardians of divine decree. The meteors are not random. They are arrows of justice. And the heavens are not distant. They are layered sanctuaries, each with its own role in the unfolding story of creation. This is the cosmic calendar. This is the architecture of divine updates. This is the end of chaos, and the beginning of peace.